What if an eggplant tree could connect with chili and tomato at the same time? Theoretically, they could form a family alliance. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? First, plant an eggplant seedling. When it matures, trim the top to prepare for grafting. Then, borrow a chili seedling from the neighbor's garden. Cut it into small branching sections. Slice the bottom diagonally into thin layers, almost like shaping a bottleneck. Then, cut into the eggplant stem. Make a V-shaped opening. Perfectly fit the chili branch into it. Tight like snapping Lego blocks together. Wrap it firmly with plastic film. Not even the wind or bees could sneak in. The survival rate of chili grafted onto eggplant is quite low. I felt a bit nervous, so I quickly grafted a second chili seedling as backup. This chili number 2 was chosen more carefully and grafted a little lower on the stem. After cutting, I pruned away extra leaves so they wouldn't drain too many nutrients. Now all I could do was wait for them to bond. After 15 days, a surprise appeared. The chili branch sprouted tiny flower buds. Its leaves looked fresh and lively. Looks like it passed the first test. I quickly trimmed off the young shoots from the eggplant's crown so they wouldn't steal the nutrients. By day 26, the eggplant branches had grown even denser. I needed to prune some messy shoots. That way, the whole plant looked cleaner and healthier. By then, chili number 2 had quietly started flowering. At day 38, the flowers of chili number 2 had faded. Tiny, rice-sized chili peppers appeared on the branches. Meanwhile, chili number 1 still had unopened buds swelling with energy. The eggplant, after pruning, grew even stronger. Its branch tips also sprouted fresh little buds. By day 42, it was time for another leaf trim. I cut away old leaves blocking airflow and even topped off a main eggplant branch. Now it was tomato's turn to join the party. From the neighbor's garden, I got a tomato branch with side shoots. I sliced the base diagonally into thin layers, then grafted it onto the freshly cut spot of the eggplant tree. Wrapped tightly with plastic film, no air could get in. With that, the grafting work was finally complete. In the blink of an eye, day 52 arrived. The tomato branch had grown much taller. The eggplant bloomed with purple flowers. Only the chili was still growing slowly. Seems like grafting a second chili was definitely the right call. By day 61, this multi-baby tree needed support. I stuck a wooden pole to secure the branches, then carefully removed the plastic film. The tomato graft number 3 had healed solidly. I couldn't resist checking chili number 1, the earliest graft. Its healing wasn't perfect, but at least it counted as a successful handshake. And then came day 96. By day 96, this crossbred eggplant tree finally gave its answer. Chili number 2, though it grew from a tiny fruit to now, hadn't changed much in size. Its branches didn't thicken either. But the graft union truly fused together. The eggplant, on the other hand, produced several plump fruits. So heavy they bent the branches downward. The chili ripened bright red, standing tall and proud. At the top, the tomatoes had turned golden yellow and ripe. But this treat was a bit biased. Its eggplant leaves grew especially strong. The tomatoes and chilies could barely get enough nutrients. If I hadn't pruned eggplant leaves every day, they might never have borne fruit. This experiment proves one eggplant tree really can carry chili and tomato too. Though the yield isn't high enough for mass farming, still seeing red, yellow, and purple fruits hanging together on one plant is pure joy. For gardening fun, the sense of achievement is unbeatable.